Welcome to another enlightening journey where we delve deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today's topic, the monetization of AI art. A revolutionary fusion of creativity and technology, AI art is not just an emerging trend, it's an entire movement reshaping the landscape of artistry and entrepreneurship. First, let's uncover the benefits of AI art. Number 1, efficiency. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the art creation process, enabling rapid production and saving valuable time. Second, cost-effectiveness. AI reduces the need for expensive tools and materials, making art creation more accessible and budget-friendly. Third on our list, unique styles. From impressionism to pop art, AI can mimic a vast array of artistic styles, offering limitless creative possibilities. And finally, customization. AI art allows for detailed personalization, catering to individual tastes and preferences. Now let's dive into the applications of AI art across various online business niches. In affiliate marketing, AI-generated images can significantly enhance content and create appealing banners, boosting click-through rates. For e-commerce businesses, AI art can personalize product images and develop unique branding assets, increasing customer engagement. In the publishing industry, AI art can produce captivating book covers and illustrations, reducing costs without compromising on artistic quality. For musicians, AI-generated imagery can create striking album covers, leaving a lasting impression on listeners. Photographers can enhance their work with AI filters and effects, offering clients unique AI-enhanced photo editing services. Freelancers can tap into the growing demand for AI-infused design, offering AI art services on freelance platforms. In lead generation, AI art can create attention-grabbing visuals, converting leads more effectively. Content creators can generate AI-powered visuals for blogs and social media, enhancing content quality and engagement. Educators can develop visually engaging and interactive materials with AI-generated illustrations. Coaches can create a unique and memorable brand using AI art for branding and promotional materials. In the mental health field, AI art can be used for therapeutic purposes, like creating calming visuals, offering AI-assisted mental health resources and content. Monetizing AI art is not just about making money. It's about embracing the synergy between technology and creativity, and leveraging it to reach new heights of innovation and profitability. As you navigate the dynamic landscape of AI art monetization, remember to stay updated with the latest in technology, adhere to copyright regulations, and maintain ethical standards. Merging the advantages of AI with the human touch of artistry can lead to extraordinary results in the realm of online business. The future of art is here, and it's powered by AI. So, let this be your inspiration to explore, innovate, and transform your business with the power of AI art. After all, in the world of AI, the canvas is limitless.